Hi, welcome to contractace.com. In the previous session, we have gone through the first category of fields, which is a text editor field. In this session, we will have a look at the second category of fields, namely the input fields. These are used in the document to collect or receive inputs from the bidders. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will use a standard consultancy agreement, which is available in our standard template section. The first field in the category are the forms. This has two types of fields, namely the text input and the text area. In the text area field, multiple lines of text can be entered, and this is used for entering longer text such as the address of a vendor or a contractor as seen in this tender document. In the text input field, only a single line of text can be entered, and this is generally used for entering the contract value in figures as well as in words. The next menu is the tables menu, which consists mostly of the pricing tables, in which the breakdown of the contract price can be entered by the bidder and pricing information can be collected from the bidders. We will now add a tab in the document called Tables for demonstration purpose, where we can see the details of each of these tables. The first table in this menu is the ordinary table, which is used for providing information to the bidders. We have already seen this in the earlier session. The second table is a standard bill of quantities, in which the quantities are provided by the tenderer and the bidder needs to provide only the rates for the individual items. The total field is automatically calculated to avoid human errors. The third table is the bill of quantity, in which the quantities are not provided by the tenderer but are calculated and entered by the bidder. In this case, the client will only provide the description of the items to be priced and the remaining columns are filled by the bidders. The fourth table in this category is the schedule of rates, in which the description of the item is provided by the tenderer, while the units and prices are provided by the bidder. This is generally used for lump sum contracts, and the schedule of rates are provided to calculate the value of the variations or changes as and when they come up during the execution stage of the project. The fifth table is the milestone payment schedule, in which the various milestones of the project are provided by the tenderer, and the amount to be paid on achieving these milestones are filled in by the bidders. This table is also used for lump sum contracts and is used for finalizing the schedule of payment based on the progress achieved by the consultant or the contractor. Like all other fields, the tables can be edited by clicking on the Start Edit button. The tables you have seen here are the standard pricing tables used in the construction industry and cover all types of contracts used in the engineering and construction industry. Depending on the type of contract and your procurement strategy, an appropriate pricing table can be selected. Once you have entered all the fields and completed the contract document, you will need to save it by going to the Actions button. Also, to close the tender at any point of time, you can click on the Back button. However, you need to save the changes before you exit from the editor, or any unsaved work will be lost. Thus, in these two sessions, we have seen the various fields that are used for preparing, formatting and collecting bids from the bidders. In the next session, we will have a look at the process of issuing tenders and collecting bids. Thank you.